Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me for yet another video. It's Adrian and today we are in St. Thomas checking out the Suncoast Beach Club development. So if you're interested in learning more about this development, please go ahead and stick around. Okay, everybody, thank you so much for sticking around for this video. Now, I don't know if you guys remember, but I actually did a feature on this development in the past. In my St. Thomas and Portland countdown, I actually featured Suncoast Beach Club. In that video, I said that I believe that St. Thomas has all the makings of being a kind of ultra Rios of the South Coast. And I do stand by that. With all the infrastructural upgrade going on with St. Thomas, as well as its proximity to the capital, Kingston, there is a lot in store for St. Thomas, and now is the perfect time to invest in St. Thomas with Suncoast Beach Club. It's a resort-inspired 396 unit gated community with unit designs such as 2 and 3 bedroom townhouse, 2-bedroom duplex, 3-bedroom villas, as well as 2 and 3 bedroom apartment units. Now, Suncoast Beach Club, as I said, it's resort inspired, and we have varying unit types: 2 and 3 bedrooms, duplex, townhouses. Now, the projected completion of phase 1, which will feature 133 units, is actually June 2024. Now, their premium amenities associated with this development: tennis court, multi-purpose court, badminton courts. What sets them apart is the private trainers that will be available at this development to go ahead and assist the residents. There is rest and relaxation. There's beach activities as well, with water sports, parasailing, weekend boat trips to Lime Key, just the name a few. The development also features premium finishes, yes, porcelain tiles, there is quartz countertops, all of the great things that would be associated with a luxury development. So as I said, I think it is the perfect opportunity to go ahead and invest in this development because it also features commercial center with doctor's office, all the works for the modern family. Now, guys, let's talk about the pricing of these units because I know you guys are so interested in that. With the townhouses, as I said, they're 2-bedroom townhouses, and these start at US $300,000. The building size is an ample 1,547 square feet up to 1,577 square feet. So I'm really loving that. For the 2-bedroom duplex, now these start at 400,000 US dollars, building size of 1,803 on a lot size of 2,988 to 5,606. So really great lot sizes available here for the duplex units. Now you guys can go ahead and check out the floor plans as well as Type D, which we also have available. These are the 2-bedroom duplex that are going for 450,000 US dollars at 1,803 square feet, and it's on a similar lot size. Now let's talk about the phase of completion. Now we're in the first phase, and this is set, the work has actually started already. It's set for June 2022, and the completion date is set for June 2024. There are 133 units available for sale, And the unit types are the townhouses, the duplex, as these are 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bath units that are available for sale. So guys, if you're interested, guys, you know what to do. Paulette Bedward is the realtor for you. She is the one that you need to contact if you want more information. Remember, as I said, St. Thomas is destined for greatness. There's a lot going on. So this is the perfect time to go ahead and invest in St. Thomas. There is going to be an boom, an entire renaissance of St. Thomas. You wait and see. So if you're interested in being a part of that, you can start with Suncoast Beach Club. Let us go ahead and take a minute to appreciate some expected completion photos that we have here for you in 3D representation. What did I tell you? Truly divine, right? Now is the perfect time to invest in St. Thomas. So go ahead and give Paulette Bedward a call to secure Suncoast Beach Club. By the way, I love the sunset. So until my next video, guys, see you soon.